year that Topps Chrome came out, was football was
Right.
fantastic.
All right, 2014 Panini Classics Baseball. We're doing a box. We're doing a random hit for all our participants. Get an autograph and a jersey card or memorabilia card in every mini box. Every mini box, I think, has 12 packs. So we'll scoot through the base and we'll get to the good stuff. A couple numbered cards per box. All right.
With the hit, so there's number cards even with the hit.
Yeah, like a parallel thing. Actually. How about that?
Did they even make this last year?
They haven't made this
seen this
for
in years.
2009 or something?
Yeah,
It's been a
I think so,
while.
too.
First rookie, Christian Velasquez. Lord, Oscar Taveras. Roy Campanella. Yasiel Puig.
Oh, there's some bets in here.
First insert, Bill Mazeroski, October Heroes. Carlton Fisk.
Shoot.
George Sisler. Felix Hernandez. There's a lot of names.
Wow.
I think it's like a 200 card set.
There's no short prints of those.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
We got Stroman and a rookie of Jose Abreu.
Oh.
Robin Yount. Tom Seaver. Classic Stars of Summer, Adrian Beltre. Bryce Harper. Billy Herman. And a Miguel Cabrera. Alright, we got our Jake Marisnick. George Springer. Decoy. Willie Stargell. Paul Goldschmidt. Justin Upton, Home Run Heroes. Andrew McCutcheon. Mark McGuire. Carl Furillo.
Nice set, actually.
Yeah. You take a look at a base card. They have like the team names down there, so it's kind of cool. You got to turn it the right way.
Oh, you're right.
Eddie Butler. Looks like we got our first auto. It's a rookie catcher.
Travis.
Christian Betancourt out of 299. Rookie auto. That was our first hit. And that's a sticker. I've seen some parallels of those too, so that's the base one. So we got a Strasburg, Tommy Heinrich, Nap Lejeune, Legendary Lumberjacks, Al Kaline, Adam Wainwright, and Justin Verlander. Still waiting for our memorabilia. Here's the rookie to complement our autograph. Here's a numbered Jimmy Nelson rookie to 149, Timeless Tribute. We'll random those. Got a Ryan Sandberg, Robinson Cano, Derek Jeter, October Heroes, Frank Chance, Joey Bautista, Joe DiMaggio. Joe. Got Billy Hamilton rookie, Andrew Haney rookie, the Decoy, Tony Lazzeri, Paul Molitor, Stars of Summer, Masahiro Tanaka rookie, Earl Averill, Clayton Kershaw, Harry Heilman, rookie card of David Hale, Travis d'Arnaud, Rod Carew, Ty Cobb, Home Run Heroes Frank Thomas, Lefty Gomez, Giancarlo Stanton. How about his contract?
Oh, dude.
Miller Huggins going to be a sign and trade with the Dodgers. That's my theory.
I'll take it
Yeah.
any day. In fact, you can even give up Puig for them.
Puig, Kershaw, or Puig, Camp, and somebody else.
Yep, I'm good.
Taiwan Walker rookie. Rafael Montero rookie. Got a Wade Boggs. Got a Pete Rose. Honus Wagner Lumberjacks. Burley Grimes. Bob Feller. And Mike Piazza. So we still should get a relic in this mini.
I got 2 blue Stanton, Bone Chrome, and a 9.5 regular refractor.
Yeah, he's a great player.
Oh.
Got a Tanaka base rookie. Jose Ramirez rookie. Decoy. Tony Perez. Ted Kluszewski, and a Ted Kluszewski. Archie Vaughn, Max Scherzer, Luke Appling. All right, 3 more. James Paxton rookie. Here's our next hit to memorabilia. Classics. Nice Thurman Munson jersey card.
Thurman Munson.
With a little pinstripe, number 99.
I like that. It's got the stripe.
It's pretty nice. Very nice.
Number to 99?
Number 99, that's definitely classics.
Yeah.
Let's see. It says the enclosed game used material is guaranteed by Panini. So we got a game used. That's pretty nice.
Wow.
Cool. And the rest of the pack was James Paxton, Orlando Cepeda, Willie Keeler, Derek Jeter, Stars of Summer. This is Herb Pennock, Goose Goslin, and Ken Griffey Jr. So our last 2 packs of this mini box, and then we'll move on to the second mini box. Gregory Polanco rookie, Aaron Sanchez rookie, Barry Bonds, Paul Wainer, Mark McGwire home run heroes, Frank Robinson, Jose Fernandez, and Joe Jackson.
Shoeless?
Shoeless.
Oh.
Yeah, they're allowed to. Danny Salazar rookie. Sorry, Danny Santana. CJ Cron rookie. Decoy. Todd Helton. Reggie Jackson. Mike Trout, Legendary Lumberjacks. Eddie Collins. Dave Bancroft, and Honus Wagner. All right.
Is Helton's done, isn't he?
He retired. Yeah, that's it. He'll probably be Hall of Famer. He's got a lot of hits.
He
a lot
does.
of Colorado
Good
memories.
average, too.
Yeah. Yeah, see how much the Coors Field effect, you know?
Yeah.
Okie doke. Mini box number 2 of our master box break of Panini Classics Baseball.
Munson's leading the charge.
Munson's a nice first relic. Start from the back this time. So, rookie card is Singleton, J.R. Murphy, decoy card, Pee Wee Reese, Whitey Ford, Tris Speaker, Legendary Lumberjacks, Edwin Encarnacion, David Wright, Carl Yastrzemski, Robbie Ray rookie, Luis Sardinas, Satchel Paige, Roger Bresnahan, Chris Davis home run heroes, amphetamines,
Yes.
ADD medication,
Oh.
Lefty O'Doul, Dizzy Dean, Chris Sale, Carl you get. Got a roughened odor. Looks like our first hit of the box here is Stars of Summer,
Gotta be an auto, huh?
number to 99.
Is that a Dodger helmet? Blue? No, Rangers.
Starlin Castro, Chicago Cubs, bat card number 35.99. The rest of the pack was roughened odor. Clemens, Willie McCovey, Edwin Encarnacion, Stars of Summer, Jim Bottomley, Hack Wilson, and Eric Hosmer. So hopefully get a nice auto. Domingo Santana rookie, Tommy La Stella, Will Myers, Ryan Braun, got a Frank Robinson October Heroes, Joe Medwick, Hanley Ramirez, and Gabby Hartnett. Two rookies up top, Yordano Ventura, Kyle Parker, Troy Tulowitzki, Phil Rizzuto, Harry Heilman, Legendary Lumberjacks, Cal Ripken Jr., Brandon Belt, Jim Thorpe. That's kind of cool.
Wow.
Let's see some Jim Thorpe stuff in there, yeah.
I'll be damned.
That's haven't seen him in a while either.
No.
Cool. Alex Guerrero rookie, Arizmendi Alcantara, Eddie Murray home run heroes, Yogi Berra, Ricky Henderson, Steve Carlton, Sonny Gray, Chris Davis, Juan Marichal, and Joey Votto. We have Mookie Betts, Arizbel Arabuena, it's a mouthful, Tom Glavine, Tris Speaker, Stars of Summer, Andrew McCutchen, Eddie Murray, David Ortiz, and Ichiro. Yeah.
He's the real deal.
Jimmy Nelson, rookie. Timeless Tributes, Roger Bresnahan, numbered to 149.
I thought that might be Jim Thorpe.
Parallel? Yeah, that'd be cool. We'll randomize that one too. We got a Warren Spahn, Wahoo Sam Crawford, Heine Groh.
Ooh.
That's a new one for me.
Wow.
Let's see, Heine Groh. Groh was a member of 5 different pennant-winning teams with Cincinnati, New York, and Pittsburgh during his career, winning championships in 1919 and 1922. His first title was captured when Cincinnati defeated Chicago in 8 games, with the infielder picking up 2 hits in the decisive contest. Yeah.
That's a new one on me.
Yeah.
Never heard that name before.
Frank Thomas, Josh Donaldson, Joe Mauer.
Cool.
Yeah. Heine Manouche, not Heine
Yeah.
Groh. Got a Matt Davidson rookie card, Colton Wong, Stan the Man Musial, Rick Farrell, Earl Averill, Legendary Lumberjacks, Jackie Robinson, Greg Maddox, and Lefty Grove. All right, 3 packs left on our second mini. We got an auto coming out. Hopefully, something nice pretty soon. The Despagne, Randall Grichuk rookie. He was an Angel. Now he's a Cardinal. Decoy. Got a U. Tony Gwynn. Tony Lazzeri, Home Run Heroes. Got a Bill Dickey, Mel Ott, and Manny Machado. All right.
No Dodgers so far.
Final
I don't think
2.
you hit a Dodger yet.
I think I saw a Hanley.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, not very many.
Wasn't there a Duke Schneider too?
Was there Duke? I
There was
missed
a
Duke.
in there?
So here's our
There it
auto.
is.
Significant signatures.
Tell by the helmet.
Nick Castellanos, jersey auto number 299, rookie. Detroit Tigers.
Not bad.
Chris Taylor rookie card, and the rest of that pack happened to be Thurman Munson, Nolan Ryan. Got a Buster Posey Stars of Summer, followed by a Buster Posey base card, Bob Gibson, and Mike Trout. So we'll do our last pack, and we'll do our randomize. Eugenio Suarez? It's like, wait a minute. Xander Bogaerts, Roger Maris, Cespedes, Don Larson, October Heroes, Chipper Jones, Nelly Fox, and a Nap Lajoie. All right, so we'll do our broadcaster hits again, and we'll randomize and see who gets what. So we got a Starlin Castro bat card, number 299. Got a very nice Thurman Munson jersey with a pinstripe, number 299, October Heroes. Got 2 rookie autos, 1 Christian Betancourt, and 1 Nick Castellanos. One, both numbered 299. One has a jersey on it. And save those.
I wonder if the Cubs will trade Starlin Castro now.
Maybe they got, what's his name? How many people they got?
Yeah, they're just. If you're gonna bring Brian up, Baez.
Yeah.
Where are you?
A lot of infielders.
Rizzo's locked at first.
Okay, so we're going to enter in the 4 participants' names. We got Gary B, Gary C, another Gary B, and a spot for myself. And our random list is going to look like Castro, Munson, Betancourt, and Castellanos. So again, we'll randomize our hit list 3 times. Hit list. Sounds different.
Hit
It's
list.
got to be a better way to say that. All right, so after 3 randomizations of the names, we'll match up who gets what. And here's the 3rd time. Gary C gets Nick Castellanos. Gary B got Munson and Castro. And I got Christian Betancourt. So if anybody has questions about how that worked, you can email me or call me. And thanks for participating.